Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class of English. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is eighth one. Actually, it is not a lesson, it is activity. Okay. And what is the name of this? Peer profile. What is the name of this activity? Peer profile. First, let us understand what is meant by peer. A peer means a person of the same age as you. Peer means a person of the same age as you. For example, if you are in 5th standard, who will be your peer? Yes, students from the class 5th. Okay. Peer means a person of the same age as you. And what is meant by profile then? It is a short description of someone. Profile means a short description of someone. Now just look at this page number 19. If you have your textbook, you can open, no problem. Here you can see that what are the points mentioned here. First one is my name, at home they call me, my friends call me, some of the things I enjoy, some of the things I appreciate, some of the things I fear, some of the things I hate to do, some of the things I have to do, some of the things I will never do, some of my good habits, some of my bad habits, my favorite personality, what I like most about this person, and at the end you have to put your signature, means whom you are going to give this sheet. He will be filling this all the information and then he will sign. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to prepare same kind of a sheet neatly, but remember you are not going to fill up these answers. Okay, what you are going to do, you are going to prepare a similar sheet in neat handwriting so that others can read it, but be sure that you will not write any of the answer. Understand? And how many copies you are going to make it? At least 10. How many copies you are going to make? 10. Then you are going to give it to your friends and ask them to fill the sheets. After you have to collect these filled sheets from your friends, then go through all of them, means you have to read out that all the sheets, then make notes of each of the profile, and then use the notes to prepare a report about your friends, their likes, their dislikes, their favorite persons, and also their good and bad habits. Okay, you can prepare the report orally or in writing. Understand? So the first thing what you are going to do, make 10 sheets of this. Okay, right now see children, all of you are at home. So when we'll be come back to our school again, we will be preparing this kind of sheets and we are going to collect the information. Understand? But while making report, you have to remember the following things. See here, it's given on page number 20. Remember the following things when you make written or oral presentation. You need to mention the names of, you need not to mention the names of your friends in your presentation. You should only give a summary of what you observe in the responses given by many people. You are not going to mention their names. See, you are not going to mention anyone's name in your presentation. You just have to give the summary, what do you observe in the responses. If you are not going to mention anyone's name, then how you are going to write anything in the presentation? Yes, see that next point is going to explain more. Okay, your presentation should clearly show what many or most people enjoy, appreciate, fear, etc. What only some of them mention and only one or two mention. Okay, that means what you have to write, instead of writing their names, you should write many friends like to watch movies, like this. Most of the people enjoy swimming. Most of the people appreciate these things. This you have to mention in your presentation. Understand? You're not going to write anyone's name so that you will not hurt anyone. But instead of that, you have to write many or most people enjoyed, appreciate, fear or like. Okay? If necessary, you may point out what is not mentioned by any of the people. For example, you may say it appears that nobody is afraid of examination, as no one has included them in the things they fear. Okay, it is not necessary that everyone has written all the things. If you find that something is missing in the enjoyment or in fears or something else, so you can mention it yourself, that it appears that nobody is afraid of examination. Like this, you can write that it appears that nobody likes to listen the music. Okay, this way you can write. Next point is, you should also mention what you found most interesting in the responses at the end of your presentation. You can write what is the most interesting thing you find in that. For example, you may write that most of the people like to watch the movies, most of the people like to watch cartoons. This way you can write. Okay, and what is the last point? You must take care to see that you do not hurt anyone's feelings when you get the sheets filled out when you make your presentation. Okay, as I have explained, what is the first point here? You did not to mention anyone's name in your presentation. Why it is said? Because maybe anyone gets hurt by telling the personal things. Okay, so you should not mention anyone's name. You should not hurt anyone's feelings. Okay, this is a very easy activity. You can do it. Okay, let me explain you this all the points again. First, what will be there? My name means who is going to write your name, whom you have given the sheet for filling. Okay, now who has filled this sheet? Anisha Kishore Ambekar. That's why she has mentioned her sign here in the corner. Okay, again, this all the things are mentioned about Anisha only, and who is going to fill? Anisha. Understand? Likewise, you have to make a sheet. You have to make 10 sheets and you have to give it to your friends. Okay. The second thing, at home they call me. So here, what this person is going to write? Though our names are different in the school, our parents or our relatives are calling us with a different loved one names. Okay, for example, Sona, right? Loving names are there. So that you are going to write here. My friends call me. Your friends must be calling you with a different name, that you have to mention here. Some of the things I enjoy, what things you like to do, what things do you enjoy, that you have to write here. Then some of the things I appreciate. Here also, what do you appreciate, that you have to mention here. Some of the things I fear means here, what do you fear, that you have to mention here. Some of the things that you hate, that you have to write here. Okay, here what is written? Cut onions. Of course, we don't like it. The next thing I have to do, some of the things that you have to do every day or most of the time, that you have to write here. I will never do. Yes, some of the rules you must have made, that you are not going to do that you have to write here. What are your good habits, what are your bad habits, here you are going to make it here. And then your favorite personality, and the last one, what I like most about this person. Here you are going to write about this person. See here, my favorite personality is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So in the last point, we have to write about that person. Why do you like that person? Understand? I hope you have understood the activity. We will be doing it when we'll come back to school. Okay, if you like the video, please click on the like button, share, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.